Good morning, students. Yesterday we teach about the activity number 3. Now today we are going to learn about the activity number 4th. In this activity there is some more information about new topic. See, learning outcomes or competency statements. म्हणजे या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण काय शिकणार आहोत, तर याविषयी या टॉपिकमध्ये माहिती दिलेली आहे. नंबर 1, यू शुड हॅव टू रीड अलाउड यूजिंग प्रॉपर पॉज, पेस अँड व्हॉल्यूम. जेव्हा आपण वाचन करतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला पॉज किंवा दोन शब्दामधील अंतर किंवा आपल्या आवाजातील चढ उतार या गोष्टी आपल्याला जाणून घ्यायच्या आहेत. देन यू शुड हॅव टू सीक इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम नोटीस बोर्ड, चार्ट्स, टेबल्स अँड अदर ग्राफिक प्रेझेंटेशन. जे काही वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे माहिती पुरवणारे घटक आहेत, त्यामध्ये नोटीस बोर्ड असते किंवा चार्ट्स असतील किंवा टेबल्स असतील किंवा इतर आकृती दर्शक ज्यातून आपल्याला वेगळ्या स्वरूपाची माहिती मिळते, तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला या गोष्टीचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. देन यू शुड हॅव टू रीड in order to obtain information. आपल्याला या सर्व घटकाद्वारे आपल्याला माहिती मिळवायची आहे. Then there are some instructions to you. I told you in the last period that you should read the lesson Fun and Games with Tara and Friends. Then you should have to learn how to pronounce new words if necessary. जेव्हा आपण नवीन शब्द या ठिकाणी वाचतो तेव्हा त्यांचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन कशा पद्धतीने असलं पाहिजे. देन you should have to use dictionary skillfully. डिक्शनरीचा वापर सुद्धा आपण अगदी कौशल्याने केला पाहिजे, हे आपण मागच्या पाठामध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. देन you should have to play quiz games if identifying pictures. शब्दकोडी ज्यांना आपण म्हणतो, चित्र ओळखून त्याद्वारे शब्दकोडी सोडवायची, हे सुद्धा आपल्याला माहिती करून घ्यायचं आहे. देन नाउ सी, रीड द लेसन. देन you should have to solve the quiz and enjoy the game of reading. आपण शब्दकोडी सोडवताना किंवा त्यातून आपल्याला जो आनंद मिळत असतो तर तो वेगळ्या स्वरूपाचा आहे. नाव हिअर इज द लर्निंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी फॉर यू. नाव यू सी देर इज द वर्ड्स ऑफ क्लाउड्स in this picture. Now you can read this. Thank you, happy, friend, here teacher, here please, here duster, here human, here scared, here sad, here yellow, here chase, sorry, leader, then school, then angry, coco, excuse me, brother. These are the words. You should have to read it aloudly. And first of all, you should observe the clouds of words and try to find out the answers. Now there are some questions, and here you can read. What do you say? Now there are four sentences. You listen it carefully. When you want something, dash dash. What do you say? When you get something, then when you want to sneeze, and number four, when you hurt someone. Then now you also read next. How do you feel? Number one, when your mother scolds, when your mother scolds you. Then when you saw a snake. Then when your teacher praises you. And now you should have to select the proper words from these clouds of pictures. Now our next point is you should have to find two words which have double letters. या ठिकाणी दोन शब्द असे आहेत, सॉरी काही शब्द असे आहेत की त्यामध्ये डबल लेटर्सचा उपयोग केलेला आहे. डबल लेटर्स फॉर एक्झाम्पल इयर हॅपी, इयर P is used double. Then here also school, school is there. Here now you can see school, double O. Then sorry, double R. Then chase, now you can see chase, double S. These words are, these letters are double used in these words of clouds. Now you can also find out 5 letter words which begin with H. H ने सुरू झालेल्या 5 अक्षरांनी युक्त असा शब्द या ठिकाणी आहे, तो म्हणजे हॅपी. दिस इज द वर्ड which begin with H and there are 5 letter word. Now next find out a pair of antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. Which is the antonyms? Here you can read happy. Here is happy, and the opposite word of happy is sad. Then the last, find out the name of game. Now you can also see the picture of cloud of words, and you can also find out the name of games in this picture. Here you can say Kho is the game. Then you can also say chess. These game is expressed in this cloud of words. Now next, our activity is activity number 8. Here you can see the learning outcomes or competency statements. Here you can also see that you have to frame a set of instructions and questions. In the activity 7 you learn about instruction and questions. Now you see there is learning activity for you. These are the words, WH words. Now you can read it loudly. See, who, whose, where, how much, how many, how old, what, when, how far, then why. And also now you can see under this do, does, these. These are the words. These are the words to used to frame questions. Do, does and did are the helping words. हे सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद आहेत. यांचा वापर आपण प्रामुख्याने यस नो टाईप किंवा व्हर्बल क्वेश्चनमध्ये केला तो. यांचं उत्तर आपल्याला यस किंवा नो या फॉर्ममध्ये पाहायला मिळतं, म्हणून त्यांना यस नो टाईप क्वेश्चन असंही म्हटलं जातं. नाऊ यू कॅन रीड नेक्स्ट. You can frame a WH type questions to get part as underline answer. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी जो काही अंडरलाईन केलेला भाग आहे तर तो भाग या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला आन्सर म्हणून मिळवायचा असा एक प्रश्न या ठिकाणी तयार करायचा आहे. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल से देर आर 10 sentences and first of all I read it. I get up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Number 2, there are 60 students in the class. Number 3, she works in the nationalized bank. Number 4, it car is mine. Number 5, Amit is 10 years old. Number 6, Mr. Patil is teaching English. Number 7, my village is 20 kilometers from here. Number 8, Ajay is doing his homework. Number 9, we are buying 2 liter milk of cow daily. And number last, Akshay is working in the bank every day. Now you have to prepare WH questions to get red underline as your answer. म्हणजे लाल अक्षराने जे काही या ठिकाणी लिहिलेलं आहे, अंडरलाईन केलेला भाग आहे, तर तो तुमच्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर म्हणून या ठिकाणी आला पाहिजे. असे प्रश्न तुम्हाला तयार करायचे आहेत. तर या ठिकाणी मी तुम्हाला एक 2-3 प्रश्न तयार करून दाखवतो, ते तुम्ही पहा. आय गेट अप ॲट 6 a.m. in the morning. Now use the proper WH words from this chart. Now you can use like who, where, whose, when, what. So suitable WH word is used to get clear answer or clear questions for this answer. Now I get up at 6 a.m. in the morning. It means when do you get up? Question mark. This is the question for this sentence. When do you get up? Then your answer will be I get up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Number 2, there are 60 students in the class. Question is like this. How many students? Now say here how many. How many म्हणजे किती. How many students are there in the class? Your answer should be there are 60 students in the class. We'll also prepare next question for you. She works in the nationalized bank. In the nationalized bank will be your answer. So question is like this: where does she work? Question mark. So you can also frame other WH questions and write all the questions in your notebook. Okay, thank you.